Hi students, in this video I am discussing about human resource management. Before going to the topic, let's see what is human resource. Human resource is the set of people who make up the workforce of an organization. In other words, we can say that the human resource is the knowledge, skills, abilities, talent and aptitude of workforce of an organization. We know that the four M's of management, men, material, machine and money are the four M's of management. Among these four M's, the men, that is human resource, is considered as the one of the most important resource for every organization because of two reasons. First one, it can function only through people. Second one, it is the only resource which does not depreciate with the passage of time. That's why the men, that is human resource, is considered as the one of the most important resource for every organization. Next we can see the meaning and definition of human resource management, that is HRM. Simply we can say that the human resource management is the management of people, that is human resource in an organization. That is, it deals with various aspects or dimensions of human resource in an organization. There are so many definitions are available about human resource management. One of the most important and one of the most convenient definition is given by Edwin B. Flippo. According to Edwin B. Flippo, the human resource management is the planning, organizing, directing and controlling of procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance and separation of human resource to the end that individual, organizational and social objectives are accomplished. It is a lengthy definition, but it includes the whole meaning of human resource management. From the definition, we can say that the human resource management is the planning, organizing, directing and controlling of human resource activities. These are the managerial functions of human resource management. From the definition, we can also say that the human resource management is the procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance and separation of human resource activities. These are considered as the operative or service functions of human resource function. These are considered as the operative or service functions of human resource management. All these activities are carried out in order to achieve some objectives like individual, organizational and social objectives. Next we can see the features of human resource management. The features or nature of human resource management. First one, the management function. HRM is the essential or integral part of general management. It involves the application of management principles and techniques. Second one, comprehensive function. HRM is a comprehensive function, means it covers all type of people in the organization. It applies to the officers, workers, supervisors or any other personnel in the organization. Third one, continuous function. HRM is a continuous function, means it is a never-ending process. This function takes place in the business continuously from its commencement to its closure. Another feature of HRM is people-oriented. That is, it is concerned with people as individuals as well as groups. It deals with the complex nature of human relationship within the organization. Next feature is development of human resource. HRM is concerned with the development of human resource. The knowledge, skills, capabilities and potentialities of employees are developed to achieve the individual and organizational objectives. Next feature is action-oriented. HRM is action-oriented, that is, all activities are undertaken to solve human resource problem to achieve individual and organizational goals. Next feature is pervasive function. HRM is pervasive in nature, that is, it is inherent in all organization, that is business as well as non-business organization at all levels. Next feature is new discipline or young discipline. As compared to other areas of management, HRM is comparatively young or new discipline. It starts in the later part of 19th century. Another feature of HRM is interdisciplinary, that is, it draws the application of knowledge from several disciplines like psychology, sociology, economics, mathematics, statistics, etc. And last feature is science as well as art. HRM is science because it contains the organized body of knowledge consisting of principles and techniques. HRM is also art because managing people is one of the creative and the innovative art. That is all about the features of HRM. Next we move to the scope or areas of HRM. The scope of HRM is very vast and wide. It includes all activities in the life of an employee starting from his appointment into the organization till he leaves the organization. The scope of HRM is first one, human resource planning. Human resource planning is the study of quantitative aspects of human resource requirement. In other words, we can say that it is the detailed and systematic study of the present and future number of human resource requirements. That is, it is the determination of right number of people for the right job. Second scope of HRM is job analysis and job design. Job analysis is the study of qualitative aspects of human resource requirements. In other words, we can say that it is the systematic and detailed study of job to know the nature and characteristics of people to be employed in different kinds of job. Whereas the job design is the process of deciding the content of job in terms of duties and responsibilities. Third feature is recruitment and selection. Recruitment is the positive process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for the job. The prospective employees can be selected both from internal and external source. After recruitment, the selection process starts immediately. Selection is the process of choosing the most suitable candidate from a number of applicants. It is a negative process since it includes the elimination of applicants who are not suitable for the job. Another scope of HRM is the placement and orientation. Placement is the process of appointing right person for the right job. After placement, the employees are given orientation. Orientation is also known as induction. The orientation is the welcoming process given to newly selected employees in order to provide a variety of information regarding organization such as the vision, mission, objectives, rules and regulations, policies and plans of the organization. In short, the orientation or induction is the process of inducting an employee into the social setup of his work. Next scope of HRM is training and development. Proper training should be given to the employees to acquire new knowledge and skills. Training is the art of increasing knowledge and skill of an employee for doing a particular job. It is a short-term process. Development means it is a long-term educational process concerned with managerial personnel or executives. It aims at the overall development of the personality of an individual. Another scope is performance appraisal and job evaluation. Performance appraisal is also known as merit rating. It is a process of evaluating the performance and progress of an employee on a given job and his potential for development. And job evaluation is the systematic and orderly process of measuring the worth of job in relation to other job. The HR manager should give due consideration for the progress of the employees and provide them necessary feedback in the form of advices and guidance. Next scope of HRM is employee remuneration. One of the main responsibility of every HR manager is to design and implement a suitable wage and salary structure for the benefit of employee. The remuneration may be in the form of monetary benefit and non-monetary benefit. Another scope is motivation. The HR manager should take adequate measures to motivate employees to achieve the organizational objective. When the employees are motivated, the employees try to perform at their maximum. Next scope of HRM is communication. Communication is the transfer of ideas, information, facts, opinion or emotions by two or more people. The HR manager should ensure that all policies taken are effectively communicated to the employees. And last scope of HRM is industrial relation. It is also known as employer-employee relationship. The industrial relation refers to the relationship between employee and management within the organization that arise out of employment. The HR manager should give due consideration in order to maintain a harmonious industrial relation so as to achieve the overall objectives. That is all about the scope of HRM, that is human resource management. I hope you got almost a clear idea about what is human resource management, what are its features and its scope. That is all about the topic. Thank you.